And to other news now, things got tense in Gordon House Wednesday as the Firearm Prohibition, Restriction and Regulation Act was deliberated by a joint select committee. Issues relating to children's access to weapons was a particular thorny issue. We have the details from Dwayne Anderson.
The Jamaica Rifle Association, JRA, is one of the groups that submitted suggestions on how to improve the Firearm Prohibition, Restriction and Regulation Act. The JRA believes the proposals to limit the use of weapons by children under 16 could hamper Jamaica's participation at international shooting competitions such as the Olympics. But the National Security Minister and the chairman of the Joint Select Committee, Dr. Horace Chang, was adamant the proposed provision must stand.
Firearm in Jamaica is a weapon of mass destruction in plain language. And therefore, whether it is legal or illegal, there must be a sense of responsibility associated with it. And I think limiting the age and the use, as I said, in this situation, 22 rifle, not allowing any junior to use it. Not doing it, Madam Minister.
This triggered a clash of views between two government lawmakers, Senator Shireen Golding Campbell and Dr. Chang.
We do not fix the problem of illegal guns and the killing and murders going on in Jamaica by restricting 12 and 13, 14-year-olds who are involved in a sporting activity. And so my question to the technical team is, what data do you have that indicates that persons who are involved in sporting activity are leaching guns into the society that are being used to commit murders?
But Dr. Chang shot back with statistics that he said are more than enough to prove the proposal in the bill is justified.
This country kills 1,200 of its people since 2020.
No, Chairman, I'm sorry. With the greatest of respect.
Banning firearms.
But that data has to be disaggregated if we're writing.
Senator,
no more data?
As a government member, 1,200 people are murdered in this country, sometimes in groups of 12 and 14. Right? That's what firearms do in this country. And therefore, there's no privilege for anybody in this situation. Ideally, what should be doing is banning firearms. That's what the number states.
He argued further that there have been instances of breaches which have resulted in major security threats.
Serious cases has taken us into the national circuit of private clubs operating, which have had issues in sporting firearms, which not only we had to deal with legally, but we came under international pressure for the abuse of sporting firearms. Now, if you want to discuss out of here, we can discuss it. They end up having to justify buying thousands of rounds, which leaks into the system. So that's what I for about that.
The National Security Minister explained that there are other provisions in the proposed firearms bill for children under 16 to get exposure to weapons if they are interested.
Anybody under 16 who wishes to use a firearm should become a member of the Cadet Corps. It carries a certain training, certain discipline, and supervision that is not characteristic of any other body.
The committee chairman said the JRA leadership will be invited to argue their case for why the proposed authorization limit for children should be changed from 16 to 12. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.